We're going to have a look at simultaneous equations. I know. But the one that have letter to the power of 2. So in this case, x to the power of 2 and y to the power of 2. So let's have a look. Below is a pair of simultaneous equation in x and y, where n, because we have n, belong to R is a constant. So this is a number. One of the solution to this pair of equation is on the y-axis. Now, you always have to pay attention to the words, or like in this case, the whole sentence that is in bold. They are drawing your attention to it. So when they are saying that a pair, one of the pair, so the x and y pair, is on the y-axis, what does that mean? If I have a point that is on the y-axis, what definitely I know for sure about that point? That coordinate x will be 0 and then some value of y. So that is telling me that this solution, one of the solutions they are looking at, is when x is 0 and therefore y we are looking for. And that will, we will use that information to find the value of n. So, okay, I can tell you, you haven't seen anything like this simultaneous equation before. And you are saying to yourself, I actually don't know what to do here. I don't know what they want from me. But if you are in the exam, what can you do? You are saying, well, I understand there's a simultaneous equation, so let's see whether I can solve it in some part. Now, when you have an equation that involves a letter to the power of 2, generally we know simultaneous equation can be solved by using two different methods. One, by adding the two equations, isn't it? That I take them, I add them, and in the process of adding one of the letters is eliminated, becomes 0. Now that method won't work here. And the other one is by replacement or substitution, however you want to call that. The point is that we take one of the equation and we change the way it looks to substitute in the second one. And we always take the one that is linear, meaning doesn't have powers, and we use that to substitute in a quadratic one. Now, where do you start? Always the best place to start is with the letter that has no number beside it, because that's the easiest change. So in this case, we can either move 2x to the other side, or I can move y to the other side. Why will I move y to the other side? Because here y is negative. But if I take this y and move it to the other side, that becomes positive y, and at the same time, take 7 and move here. Okay, so what am I going to have? I'm going to have 2x. That 7 will move, therefore change the sign, minus 7. And on the other side, I move the y, therefore it becomes plus y. Now, what I can do with that, I'm saying that y is equal. So instead of y here, I can put 2x minus 7. And instead of y here, I can put 2x minus 7. What have I done when I will do that? When I do that replacement, that substitution for y, I'm going to get rid of y. Okay, so let's do that. X to the power of 2 remain x to the power of 2 plus, and instead of y, 2x minus 7 plus 2 again, multiply, and instead of y, 2x minus 7. And let's not forget that that y is taken to the power of 2, and that will give me the value of n, and that's what I'm looking for. So I'm saying I don't know how I'm going to do it because I have x's here. However, what do I know? They told me that one of the solutions to the pair of the equation is on the y-axis, meaning when x is 0. So if I replace that x with 0, what will happen? I have no letters, I have only numbers, and if I have only numbers, I can put them in the calculator, press equal, and get my answer. And that's what we do. When we put all of that in our calculator, press equal, we will say we will get 91, which is our answer. Yeah. So it looks complex, but as you can see it, actually it wasn't. Yeah. Simultaneous equation are there every year, not only in one part of the question. You can have a question that have, like here, pure algebra simultaneous equation. But even if not that, you're going to have that in coordinate geometry, or you're going to have in some other question, maybe volume and area. Simultaneous equation will be there every year. So make sure that you know how to solve them.